finally going back to the city or downtown for some good meal. Can we appreciate how good his hair looked today? Oh my gosh, can you sleep like this and shower like this and just look like this 24/7?
Oh, just don't, I don't have to take showers.
Day is actually pretty nice compared to how gloomy this week was. We had a really gloomy week. It's been raining. I'm pretty sure it's because winter is ending. Today we're getting some hamburger. It's called this place we're going to is called Little Bad Wolf or something like that. And they're supposed to have like really like monstrous, like kind of really big hamburger, and I want to try their. Can I get a green tea latte?
What size?
Tall ice.
600.
맛있다. 아, 시원해. Street parking.
3시 59분.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend who's okay.
Okay, cool.
So you gotta try the burger. I thought you gotta try that like fries and things like that. Ribs on top or something?
No, you're supposed to try burger here.
Okay. I'll try it.
This is how their menu looks like. And these are all just like wines and just alcohol. Food is here. So I love mussels. I think I order mussels wherever we
Every restaurant.
It doesn't matter what they specialize in. Yeah.
It's good. Like, the mussels itself has like that taste in it.
Yeah, it does taste like so.
Because the scallion too tastes a little. I like that sauce. It's like,
Yeah,
also has a creamy taste too.
I like it. How's that?
Or have the curry flavor, like Thai curry.
It's different. Definitely different from the other mussel ones we get.
Yeah, because we eat every mussel. Because Kim is a mussel man.
I like the bread too.
I like it because it has a kick.
That really strong flavor.
Think about it. Tastes like Thai curry, right?
Yeah. I think you could put like, noodles in there as well.
Yeah. With the Korean pears.
Our food is here. This is steak free, medium rare, fries, and a side of this is wolf burger with 3 patties and a side of mac and cheese. This is side of mac and cheese. So big.
That's heckle this.
Oh, it's with the egg like that?
Yeah, it's very messy, that is.
Pasta.
Yeah.
I love the mac and cheese. Good.
Oh.
Sorry. 아 이거 그냥 스테이크구나 이게.
Yeah. So you smush it. It's messy. I don't know.
God. Gross. You ruined our burger.
Well, upon bite, it just all pops out.
You have jizz on your mouth.
Dip it in that sauce.
I think the food was pretty good. I liked it. I really liked the mussels and the macaroni and cheese, but the hamburger, it had 3 patties and those curly waffle thing and egg. To me, like the moment I bit into it, it was so salty for me. So I don't know if it was something that I would prefer. I don't like salty burgers. I don't know. Like
Is KEEMI pregnant?
the meat was very salty, and 3 patties. I think that's just pushing it. Although we chose to get the 3 patty one, but I thought people get it because it just tastes really good. But I don't know. I think it was just too much for me. It was
What about
salty.
2? Would 2 be in?
I think I'll be happy with 1 patty just because their patties were pretty thick, but they're very small but thick. The steak frit, right? That one was, the steak was good. It was, it wasn't chewy, but the fries were kind of like disappointing, to be honest, because we like good fries. And the fry, I mean, like, I get it, the steak was on top of it, so it got a little soggy, but not just that, even the non-soggy parts, it was just too greasy. Like, you taste a lot of oil more than the potato. So that was that. The mussels were really good. I really like the curry flavor, creamy curry flavor. Had a little kick to it. So good. Yeah, overall, I mean, it was a good meal, but I don't know. I don't think I'll go back, to be honest. If I ever do, I'll definitely gonna get something else. Besides the mussels, I'll definitely get the mussels again. Yeah, it was so good. So, that batting cage is closed today, so we have to burn it up somehow. So we're gonna go to this mall called Old Orchard. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with it if you guys live around here, but yeah, we're gonna go there, just walk around, and I don't know if we're gonna go shop maybe. Yeah, just walk around, burn off this. I feel very, very lazy and tired. That's when you cannot be sitting around. You have to walk around. Somebody told us that it makes a huge difference, world of difference. After you eat, either you sit down or you take a walk. Like, it makes a world of difference. Like, you either...
Yeah, I mean, if you move, you burn energy. Yeah.
But even though it seems such a you don't have to work out, but the fact that you're just on your feet moving around, it makes a huge difference. So yeah, I guess that's like a little tip to not gain weight.
Just move.
Yeah, but we're gonna just walk around outside. It is a little cold, but it's okay.
38 degrees is not bad.
It's not. Yeah, but we're gonna just walk around.
Yeah.
But I think hopefully it's not busy. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna wear this. Look at this color.
This is like a grocery bag.
Kind of cute too.
What can you possibly put in here?
Or we could order yellow one. A lot goes in there, okay? Oh my god, so cute! So cute!
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Okay guys, we're gonna end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys did, let us know so we can do this more often. But yeah, have a great week. Stay warm, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!